Hey guys, welcome back to Cracked Housing Fab. We are out here in the wood with the Tacoma, recently converted from two-wheel drive to four-wheel drive. We're gonna have some fun with it today.
That's right, check out the manual locking hubs. It's pretty freaking awesome. So you guys would have seen the video, obviously, of us finishing this up, and now we want to show it in action. So we're gonna give you some comparisons to if you had two-wheel drive with a locker, and four-wheel drives. Yeah, let's get to it. We're gonna have a little bit of fun today.
All right guys, as you know, we just recently converted our two-wheel drive Tacoma to four-wheel drive, but we're gonna show you guys what it's like to try to climb a hill in two-wheel drive, and then we're gonna do it with the locker, and then do it with four-wheel drive. So here we go, here's two-wheel drive, no locker, just the way the truck came new.
It's the best I can do.
Well, you tried. All right, that was the first attempt. Let's try it now with the locker.
Not much different.
Yeah, about the same. I don't know, you might have got a couple more inches up.
Yeah.
So that was with the locker.
Yep.
All right, let's try it in four-wheel drive. Four-wheel drive, no locker. Not too shabby.
Yeah. All right, now we try it with the locker and four-wheel drive.
Oh, there you go.
I can almost drive over the hill.
And I don't know if you guys can see this. It doesn't show it in the video, but this is pretty tall. It cameras don't always do justice, but that truck's at a good angle.
I see nothing but sky up here.
So definitely dramatically better. Man, this four-wheel drive conversion was really cool to do. Check out part 1 and 2 if you guys want to see how we did it.
All right, guys, now after we did the hill climb, we want to show, like, this is kind of a weird off-camber articulation area. So we'll show you the series in progression again. So this would be two-wheel drive, no locker. If I can even get over there. That's it.
Pretty much dead in the water.
Doesn't even go up the hill. All right, now we'll try the locker. About the same. This is why you need a four-wheel drive conversion on your truck. No locker, just four-wheel drive. Nope.
A lot better.
Better, but it's spinning that tire over there and this tire over here because it's like everything's all twisted up. All right, this time everything.
Oh, there you go.
Didn't even try.
Didn't even have to touch the gas.
Barely.
See, I'd say with the four-wheel drive with the locker together is unstoppable.
A world of difference. I mean, even with a four-wheel drive truck, technically it's only two-wheel drive.
Technically, yeah.
You know, because if they have open diffs, but yeah, this is awesome.
So would this be a three-wheel drive?
Three-wheel drive. All right, guys, now we got some of that stuff out of the way. We're gonna go do some donuts and have a little bit of fun.
Look at all the carnage. And Sean's screwing around again.
A little bit of fun.
You got four-wheel drive and you're playing with two-wheel drive.
Yep, I'm stuck. Dude, what would I do? I just go like this. Grab this little lever. right, guys, you can't let me just have all the fun. Kurt wants to do it in his truck too. Comment down below if you think donuts are awesome.
All right, guys, we're gonna run the Tacoma on our track that we have. And if you guys watch our other videos, we have our drift trikes, not so simplicity, our four-wheelers. We run them all on this track to get some times. So we're gonna run the Tacoma and see what we get.
All right, guys, I'm gonna try to set a lap in the Tacoma. I've got four-wheel drive, locker on, see if I can set the best time. So here we go.
.25. All right, do you know what time you got?
I don't know, but it felt pretty fast and it was a lot of fun.
All right, 40.25.
Oh man, I need to see what that does or compared to the other stuff.
I think you're pretty close.
I got the times right here.
What a beautiful Michigan day. All this snow, 10 degrees.
Yeah.
But hey, it's worth it, just for you guys.
All right, so not so simplicity, 31 seconds. The 450 Honda, 25-26 seconds. Drift trikes were 42 and 45 seconds.
You're faster than the drift trikes?
Yeah, barely.
Well, maybe when I drove through that little pond, it slowed me down. But...
Oh, man.
Awesome.
Oh, it's a lot of fun.
All right, guys, we're gonna do one final thing. We're gonna go across the frozen pond. It's about 4 feet deep. If you guys watch our summer videos, you'll see this is all water. So I convinced Sean to take his truck across that. So hopefully he makes it. Let's see what he does. Tight fit. Now just remember, this is about 4 feet deep. Is this freestyle? Ooh, yeah, I would go. It's cracking. Ooh. Oh, dude, it's cracking. Yep. That you made it.
I heard it go.
It was only 4 feet deep. Dude, when I was standing over here, it moved down about 2 inches.
Did it?
Yes.
Yep, not doing that again.
Ooh, it's crunchy. Hey, it was fun. My dad will be happy.
Yeah.
My dad tries to get me to drive everything across the pond. Now, granted, he has a 4-wheel drive tractor. We could pull it out if we got stuck, but well, cool, we did it.
That's right.
And maybe in the summer, I'll convince Sean to take it, throw it in the mud.
Nope.
Ooh. What are you doing?
Hey, you know, just working out. No big deal.
Some good old frame flex.
That's right. It's pretty cool. Can't turn the tire because it's locked. The locker's on.
Oh yeah. Man of steel.
We decided we didn't like it lifted anymore. I just lowered it. It looks cooler that way.
Yeah, next video, lowering kit. All right, guys, this was a lot of fun today out here playing around in the snow with the newly converted 4-wheel drive Tacoma.
Like, comment, subscribe. Let us know if you want to do, we're going to do more taco videos, but
oh, of course,
let us know if there's some cool stuff that you want to see. But yeah, thanks a lot, guys, and thanks a lot for watching Cracked Housing Fam.